In this video, I am going to show you how to watch Waka TV on FireStick and other devices. Waka TV is a popular streaming service for live TV, sports, and more. Let's go through the steps to get started. How to watch Waka TV on FireStick. Turn on your FireStick and go to the home screen. Navigate to the search bar and type in Downloader. Select Downloader from the search results and click Install. Once installed, open the Downloader app. In the URL field, type in the Waka TV APK download link. Make sure to get the link from a trusted source. Press Go and the APK file will start downloading. Once downloaded, click Install to begin the installation of Waka TV. After installation, open the Waka TV app from the Apps section and sign in or browse the available content to start watching. How to watch Waka TV on other devices, smartphones, tablets, Android, iOS. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for Waka TV and download the app. Open the app, sign in, and start streaming. Web browser. Open your preferred web browser. Visit the official Waka TV website and sign in. Start watching content directly from the site. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.